Greetings everyone. Welcome in the fourth module. In this module, 1. Right against exploitation. What is the meaning of this right? Under this right, Constitution has given many provisions and social evils which has completely prohibited, completely banned by the Constitution for the interest of the citizen of India. Under this freedom, under this right against exploitation, three types of social evils are banned by the Constitution. One is abolition of trafficking in human being and begar, forced labor. Abolition of employment of children below the age of 14 years in dangerous jobs like factories and mines. Begar practice in past by the landlords. It has been declared a crime and is also punishable by law. Similarly, trafficking in human beings to the purpose of slave trade or prostitution is also prohibited by the law. All these are the social evils which are completely prohibited and completely banned by our constitution under right against exploitation. Next right we are going to discuss, that is right to freedom of religion. Under this right, every citizen of India have right to propagate, to adopt, to practice any religion or even not to any. All the religious communities, they can set up charitable institution of their own. Government cannot give preference to one religion over the other. No official religion is given. Activities in such institution which are set up by the religious communities are not religious, are performed according to the law laid by the government. No person shall be compelled to pay the taxes to the promotion of a particular religion. And a state can impose the restriction on this freedom, on the freedom of religion, only for the sake of public welfare, for the sake of public interest, for maintaining the national security. Thank you.